my God. Pop Mart Japan. Thank you. I found it. Mega Space Molly. Nakakita rin ako ng ang Mega Space Molly. SANRIO edition. Oh my God. And the good thing about it is that it's a surprise. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung makikita mo.
I think I know
What is
now.
this? And
know.
guess what?
I see it.
Guess what? It's cheaper here. A lot cheaper compared to the States.
You got the
I wanna
best.
surprise
You got the
myself.
best.
I wanna
You
surprise myself. I got the best.
To me,
I get the Hello Kitty. Oh my God. Wow.
So you don't know.
See, yeah, no, but
oh my gosh.
Hello Kitty.
Mystery
Wow.
box.
Hello Kitty Japan. Oh my goodness. What a lucky pick. Talagang yung trademark pa, di ba?
Right.
Ang galing. Amazing.
And Hello Kitty is our age, isn't it?
Right. Oh my God. This is great. Super lucky. Finally. Ah! Gan pa lang excited na ako. Ayun na siya. Hello. I have another Hello Kitty added to my collection. Ta-da! Hello. Let's take this out. Take it out. Ang galing naman. You're worth it. Worth it to para sa luggage. Yes. Worth it. Yan. Okay. Now, let's see. The final moment. I am cute. Oh my gosh. So. Oh my God. What another collection. Oh, ang ganda. Super. My 400% Hello Kitty added to my collection. This is my, I think, 7th 400 Space Molly. Watch out for my next vlog. I'll show it to you guys. Bye! Bye from Japan. Space Molly Hello Kitty. Mwah!